All right, hey everybody, it's Audrey here from Mom Generations. I want to show you guys today Style Edit. This is their Blonde Perfection. This is a root touch-up. It's great for blondes if you have blonde hair and you want to conceal. They also have a Style Edit root touch-up for other shades. So if you're brunette, if you have red hair, they have one for everybody. There's a link in the description, so just head over there and check everything out. But I want to show you how quick and easy the Style Edit is. This is how big the container is. The great thing is that right on the bottom you have your little pad that it comes with, and then right on top is the actual powder. Just flip it up, you have a little mirror as well. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to use it. Now the price point on this is around $33. I normally don't spend that much if I'm just trying to do a temporary root cover-up, but you know what? I heard it was great, so I wanted to try it, and I really love it. Super easy to use, and that's what you want, right? You want super easy to use, and you want it to get the job done. I use the L'Oreal Magic Root Touch-Up Spray. The only thing is about that, if I itch my scalp, I get all the black, because I have a light brown one, I get all the black coloring right in my fingernails. And I don't love that, but it works really well. But I was looking for another option as well, a powder. So here you go. You take your pad, you dip it in the powder, you find a patch that you want to cover up. I've done a lot already in the front of my hair, so I'm going to show you guys this patch right here. You can obviously see the gray, and I'm going to go in with the pad, and you literally just brush it right into your hair. See how easy that was? All that area right there covered up. I'm going to show you now the bottom. You take your pad, I just dipped it in the powder, and I'm going to go over and I'm going to put the pad right over the hair, and just like that, you can see that it easily and quickly starts to get covered up and concealed. Again, this is temporary root cover up. You're not going to have this forever. I genuinely love how easy it is to use, and again, how it really gets the job done. If you want to do a part in the side, I also today worked on as well, I do lots of ponytails, so I know that like right around obviously the crown of my head, I like to make sure that it's concealed. I went through, I used the powder. I really think it's worth it for the $33 if you're doing Zoom videos, if you're doing a lot of digital, if you're doing photos, whatever it is. Even beyond this quarantine, I love how easy this is to use. Not all of us can get in with our stylist right away, even beyond the quarantine. So right now, we're all looking for easy beauty hacks. I'm obsessed with this. I'm definitely going to buy more of this as well, but I really highly suggest it. It's Style Edit. Again, this is Blonde Perfection. All the links are below. Loving how easy it is to use, and I'll tell you, it really does a great job of blending and making it look natural. So I just want to do a quick tutorial. Hope you like it. Any questions, drop them below or message me. Don't forget to hit the notification so you know when I have new videos coming live.